Welcome to the live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, a trading coach who will be doing a live trading session and live analysis. As a very important day, today is ADP non-farm employment change coming, and there are three high impact news coming later today. We have seen that there is a sudden breakdown on gold, and what I think that this might be a complete manipulation. So with the progression of this session, we will be observing the price action on gold and many of the instruments currently moving a lot. Especially we see that there is a movement on dollar yen also. Gold has got a sudden breakdown. We will be looking at all the instruments that we can find potential trading opportunity in this live session. I would appreciate your support if you give a thumbs up, and also let me know if you are here ready to trade this big move coming in the market. Let me know, guys, if you are here. If you say yes, then I know that you are here and we can start trading together, analyzing the market from A to Z. If you give a thumbs up, will be appreciated for the stream to start with. Now what we can see, there is a sudden breakdown on this instrument on gold, and along with also we can see that Gbpusd, while we have opened that trade yesterday, it has still moving in that direction. So let me look at what's happening with gold. Is this breakdown back to back 2 1 hour candle, very strong breakdown here, and that breakdown might be a reversal, or it might be another liquidity grab in this market. So we'll be looking at A to Z to see what's happening at the moment. So let's see how the price is doing. We can see another candle close on the lower time frame on gold. It might be having a bit more stronger breakdown here. I would like to see how the market is doing from A to Z. If you are with me, let me know, guys. And let's see, we have seen complete breakdown here, and with that breakdown we could see that gold might be creating a new lower low. There is a liquidity zone here. I had a trade early today, just before this live session. We see that the market is still dropping in that direction. So I would like to see what's happening here. If we see that there was a long consolidation here and then sudden breakdown, so it might be grabbing massive liquidity in that area. We can see that on dollar yen and Gbpusd as well, the market is trending at the moment. Euro dollar has got also, if we look at the intraday time frame, it has broken that low and then has gone back up. So we have to look at in depth what the market might be doing in this session. So let's keep trading with proper risk management. Good morning, boss. Thank you very much. Aman, good morning. Yes sir. Francisco, hello coach. Thank you very much. Kauku, welcome to this live session. Let me see what's happening with the gold. Why there was a sudden breakdown. That breakdown might be taking this price to this support level. Good morning, I'm with you. Welcome to this live session. Welcome. So at the moment we see there is a initial breakdown, and what could be the reason behind the breakdown? Do you have any idea? Suddenly gold had a breakdown. Is this a liquidity gap? We will be figuring out why that breakdown happened and how we can trade that. In the meantime, we see that on Gbpusd also there is a rejection after this. Here we can see GJ has got multiple liquidity grab as well from the daily. After this yesterday's trade on GJ, the price has come down for a pullback and then has got today has got a rejection. So GJ as well showing good trading opportunity in this price action. You can see this is the 5-minute chart. So let me look at one by one. While we can see that gold has this huge drop, and it's coming to this, there is a smart money zone on gold. This is the neckline of this previous resistance, turning support here. We will be looking for the price to retest that and then to bounce back to the upside again. So this is a complete drop against the major trend. There are a couple of liquidity zones that we can look at today. If we look at the news calendar to see where the market might be heading. So looking at the news calendar here, we can see in this news calendar, here is so there is a news coming later today. We'll be covering that ADP non-farm employment change, and then 1 a.m. coming ISM service PMI. So forming those news, we can see that there is a breakdown during the London, and again coming up USD. Powell will speak at 3:10 a.m. So this is a whole lot of volatility coming, and this breakdown on gold, what I think it is a continuation of that news. So at the moment, let me see what the price is doing. So this is the 1 hour chart. Because the market had a complete breakdown here, we will be looking to see if the market is again returning back to the upside, because this is also a very significant level of support on gold. So from the daily, if you look at the daily chart, this market is completely overextended as well. Let's look at the Fibonacci perspective on the daily on gold to see where we can expect this pullback to come. Now this is the Fibonacci, minimum Fibonacci level that we can expect for the gold to drop. So looking at intraday time frame, which is the below the daily low. So this is, if I delete all of them, we can see this is the minimum Fibonacci level. So it is possible for gold to drop even below the previous daily low because it had a very strong breakdown. So, and if that's the situation, then we might see a very sharp drop with the upcoming, keeping it in the front, and the red candles are very stronger here. We see multiple liquidity grab. So gold at the moment, we see that as potentially here locally bearish. I would like to see how the market is reacting. Here is a neckline here. There is a smart money zone. So if you look at this order block, gold has bounced up and then has got a breakdown. So it might now come back to this order block, which you could eventually see on gold. So I would be waiting to see if there is any sell entry opportunity because it has a breakdown. Are you guys with me here? Let me know what's your thought on. Gracious, good morning. Thank you. Good morning, coach. Then Talat from Ghana, welcome. Good morning. Welcome to this live session. So let's look at to see where we can find our opportunity on gold. So if you look at this market, you can see that it's there was a huge bullish move, and after long consolidation, the market managed to break down, and that might bring this price to well below this liquidity zone at the moment. So the breakdown on gold is very, very sharp and drop, so it could be it could keep pushing down further. depending on again it's the trend breakdown. So depending on how the market will be doing, we will be looking for entry opportunity. Let's find out. Okay, so here we can see in that zone on gold, there has been the price just penetrated that low. Okay, penetrated that low. Now it's trying to pull back. So until it remain bearish, we will see, because it's a very important liquidity zone here, it is possible for a reaction from this level. So this is what I'm trying to figure out, if gold is trying to reverse from that, or it is again dropping further in that direction. So gold, here we can see there is a breakdown. Let's see how the price action is forming. And from the daily, we see that the market already has made significant bullish momentum here, expecting it to drop further for a deeper pullback, which at the same time the market is approaching this important liquidity zone. So either we could see a reaction to the upside to form for a deeper pullback, or dropping down further. What do you think, that it's gonna drop or it's gonna move back up again for another bounce? What kind of pin bar it has formed on gold? So there is a pin bar formation. I see there is a pin bar. So I will be going long on gold here with that pin bar, with as the market has formed a pin bar from this liquidity zone. We'll be targeting here, and this is, there will be around 27 pip stop loss in this trade. Maybe late entry, but I have entered buy here on gold, which is around 27 pips stop loss, and this breakdown is to this liquidity zone. It could break another, it could make another wave to the downside. So make sure, guys, you put a stop loss and also do proper risk management. I have opened buy here on gold. Let's see if we can see that bounce on this. So I open a buy at my price on gold is 2270. I'm a bit late entry, but so stop loss I put at 2267.308, TP at 2279.58. So if the price is, if the market is reversing from that level, we should be able to see the price is going back up to retest. If the price is dropping down, then we might see that the price is coming to this liquidity zone again. So here is it's a long-term bull market. I'm expecting it to return back to the resistance line. So it might even go further. At the moment, let's see the trade in the major direction of the trend. So I have opened buy in the major direction of the trend. So it might try to fill that wick because it is a long-term bullish market, expecting it to reject from this level. So the stop loss I have put at 2267.30. Guys, make sure that you do proper risk management, put proper stop loss. It's important that you always trade with proper risk management, which is the key to be to be profitable as a trader. So here from 30 minutes and lower time frame, there is a doji here in that zone, which is a significant level of support. Now if this 5 minutes candle not being able to break in that direction, we should see bounce or we could see continuation. If it is a very strong breakdown, then we might see that price is breaking that low. So there's a rejection here. Falling. So we are on buy, and at the moment is it trying to break the support here? Cannot expected price action, so we'll be waiting to see if it is. This is the 1 hour price action where if we look at here in the past, this level acted as a significant support here, so which is a very important level of support, and we would like to see that the market is respecting that to expect it to bounce back. So if it is a fake move, then we should be able to see that return. I would like to hold it. In our Gbpjpy trade yesterday that we opened was in fact very good move that happened, but at the moment on gold, Okay, rejection is important. So you see some kind of initial rejection. From the intraday, so you'd like to see that this red candle is closing above this level to see potential rejection. So the stop loss that I put is 2267 point. I want to put a bit one more downside, one more peep down, and we see that the candle is not being able to break that low, which is a little bit of good sign for us. The market is getting rejected now, expecting it to go back up. If the market reject from here, from this important liquidity zone, then I'm expecting it to return to the resistance level here, 2281, which is basically a very important level of resistance here on the lower time frame. So if we look at the 30 minutes chart, let's hold it. If it reverses from here with this couple of dodges, expecting it to have a very strong rejection to the upside. Alright guys, I hope that you are enjoying this live session. I would appreciate your support by giving a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. I'm bullish on gold here for very tight stop loss. If I'm wrong, then I will be stopped out as soon as the support will be broken. If I'm right, then I will be holding it for a bit bigger profit, because if the market reverses from here, then this will be a manipulation and we could see that reaction, which expecting. We look at the 15 minutes candle here. The 15 minutes is, this is a very important level of support. The stop loss that I put at 2267.15, so I just want to readjust that one. Just one more peep to the downside for any safety. So 2267.15. Okay, now if it is breaking that support, that we might see a very strong reversal in this market with the upcoming news. It might make a big difference in that case. So here there is a ADP non-farm employment change coming, as you know, that later today. Come on, what do you want to do here? When I got a reversal, that if it does, then we could see potential move back. Are you guys with me? So do you think that gold is going to reverse, drop, it will move up? sir. Okay, so let's see. I think gold will sell little 2260. Okay, so if it breaks that support, because it has broken that liquidity zone here, and at the moment expecting for the price to return to the upside here. Okay, so we see primarily the bulls are trying to take control. If it is reversing, that might straight going back to the upside to the daily resistance line, but we need to see how the market is doing. I'm entering into my profit area here, so we'll be waiting for the price to, if we look at here. Okay, so here is the market is trying to bounce. Guys, are you with me? So if the reason I bought is because the market in a very important liquidity zone, expecting for this price to return in that major direction of the trend. So waiting to see that potential return here on gold. This is not a very strong rejection from the bottom, but it's still there is no red as well. So what you could see that 30 minutes closed as a long wick candle in the liquidity zone. So there is a crossover on the 30 minutes 10 and 20 EMA. If we look at the 1 hour chart, if gold market return, then we might see again going to create a new higher high even. So because at what point it's gonna reverse, that's the question, because it's a major trend is up. So you see that there is a little bit of bounce here. Let's keep watching the price action. Guys, are you with me? Let's keep watching the price action, and in the meantime I would appreciate if you can give a thumbs up here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing out any of the content that I am posting every day. Look, it is now 50-50 chance to drop again to fill that imbalance here. There is a fair value gap. The other chance is we have a very high risk reward here. If it return, then we should see it's going back up to retest this neckline here in this resistance level. The only thing here is the candle was very strongly broken in that direction. So come on, here we see that there is a potential reaction, but here how the price is evolving. So if it is reversing from here, we should be able to see some long wick candles in that area that might form a reversal pattern. Okay, so the other manipulation could be that breaking completely, closing as a red candle and returning back again. So we are alive yet on the trade. Hello, thank you very much. Lines crossed, What do you mean by lines crossed? Okay, here what we can see, this is where if you look at, okay, so we don't want to see that the market has very strongly broken down here. Let's keep watching to see how the price is evolving in that area. We see the dollar yen also creating a pattern. Gbpjpy has got a very strong rejection, so that means GJ might keep pushing high further. If we look at the daily here as well, so Gbpjpy is trending very nicely. Okay, gold is okay, so we see a reaction to the upside on gold primarily. I would appreciate your support to this channel by giving a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing out any of the content that I'm posting every day. So if we look at now, we see that primarily a bit of bullish pattern here, which is going as expected. So I've entered. So I'm in my entry on gold. Okay, so three bullish candle here to see if gold is getting a rejection here. Welcome. Thanks for joining the live session. I would appreciate if you smash the like button here. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So you have to be patient with trading. Make sure guys you do the proper risk management. Be patient and always do proper risk management is the key to be profitable as a trader. So I have opened buy on gold and waiting for an entry. So waiting for a profit, not an entry, guys. I've lost my word. We are on a buy trade. Okay, here, do you think guys gold is returning back to the upside? I think might see. That's the belief, that market is moved by the belief. Might think that okay, the market is moved by what? The market is mainly moved by the belief. Okay, that's the key here. Market is moved by belief. So if the more trader believe in a certain way, the market will do that, which is the very strong understanding how the market moves. It will give you a very clear idea. In fact, it's all about the belief, because those who hold a stronger belief, the market will move in that direction. So if you want to see, or if you want to understand the bias in the market, then also you need to understand, you need to read the mind of the traders. That means that you need to understand what are the trader beliefs. That's why trading psychology, it's very important to develop. And that's what I emphasize, in this academy. Not only trading, I emphasize on developing a very strong trading psychology and that's why I emphasize in my courses as well. You guys have seen that this week we had a huge sale on joining our academy. Many of the members already joined. We have few spots left to join us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy to learn and to grow with us as a trader. I've given you that coupon for the last few spots. I've given you that coupon with the website address. If you haven't used that coupon yet, probably it's getting expired, so you can use that coupon to join to the mentorship program. And don't miss out, guys. This is a rare opportunity. There is a $200 additional discount coupon available, 70% off, which is nothing in comparison with the strategy that you will be learning to trade the market. Right now you can use it on the website access checkout to learn the way I'm trading the market, and also you can learn the strategy that I'm trading. You can be mentored by me directly in Forex Trading Wizard Academy to learn and to grow as a trader. I'm available to guide you every step of your trading journey, and also I'm available for one-to-one mentoring in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Once you join here, you will have direct contact with me if you need guidance one-on-one, on the Zoom or on any way, because I focus mostly on the weaker student rather than the stronger, because a stronger student, stronger trader can figure out many things, but weakers need time. So I always focus on the weaker. So if you think that you have a weak side, then it's almost for free that you can get all the direction from me. Don't miss out that opportunity. Use that coupon right now and then join us in the mentorship program to learn and grow as a trader. Now, why do you see that gold? The trade that I have opened is hitting in that. It's on the profit zone now at the moment, so you want to hold it. I think it might try to create that reversal pattern, that inverted head and shoulder. Let's hold it. It's important that we hold it for bigger profit. Let's hold it for the price to move up, because if it return from here, then we might see that the price is going back up to the resistance level again. All right, so what we can see in that zone. Okay, so here we can see the market is moving in our favor. We'll be holding the trade for bigger profit. For the full profit, my TP target at 2279.58. Would like to hold it because if the market return from here, okay, here expecting it to return to the upside. Revise with me. So this trade has gone in the direction that we expected. So our neckline is here at 2280. So we are running good profit on this trade. Now currently I am running and more than 1%. Are you guys with me with this trade in this live session? Gold trade that we are running. Okay, so yeah. Pardon me, the sound was off and I just got out of it. Hope that you guys can hear me now. Pardon me, the sound was off and I forgot that it was muted. Hope that everyone can hear me, guys. Appreciate for letting me know. Perfect, thank you, Coach Francis. Yes, welcome. Let's hold it for bigger profit. Because if the market is getting rejected, we should be able to see it's going back up to that resistance level where there is a high liquidity, right? Because this drop here on gold was a complete manipulation, and after this kind of manipulation, expecting it to return back. So here is, we have almost nearly more than 3% target here. Let's keep taking that trade, holding the trade for full profit. And I appreciate your support also to the channel. You see, you have, the being trader means that sometimes you have to be very what I would say, the courageous to open some trade, not by taking a big risk, but by by doing proper risk management is the key. Because if you are a trader, then you must have proper discipline in your trading. And in addition to that, guys, if you are enjoying this live session, don't hesitate to like this stream, subscribe to the channel. And also, if you are looking to join a regulated broker, I have given you the link that I'm using the broker to trade the market. I have given you the link. You can use that link to register, and then you can start trading. Click that link, register, and then even you can start with any capital that you want to trade. From $100 to $1 million, they are fully trusted broker. You can use that link if you want to join the broker that I am trading. And also, if you are joining us in our mentorship program, also because I'm trading with the same broker, so you'll have I can guide you more precisely on your trading journey. See what's happened now at the moment with that on here. If we look at, okay, so here is primarily 15 minutes chart. It's got a bounce. So this is a this dodgy, this narrow candle here on gold is a liquidity zone, because the market has got a bounce, expecting it to return to that resistance level, which is highly likely to happen. So that will give us a very good profit in this trade. So that's why I'm holding it, expecting it to it's forming a bullish price action along the way. Are you guys holding it? I'm holding it. We'd move together, so thank you. Yeah, welcome. Welcome, Pascal. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Yeah, I'm holding it for the full profit, a return on that. So we are running gold trade. I'm still didn't move any stop loss at entry or anything like that. So I'm still holding the full trade for the full profit hit on the trade. Okay, guys. So let's see how far we can go on that. It's almost there. We are almost now running 2% profit on that. Yeah, I'm nearly 2%, more than 2% running on that. I wanna hold it for full TP hit. I didn't move a stop loss at entry, and also I will be explaining in depth why I have opened that trade. in this live session. As soon as we started the session, we have opened the trade. I'll be explaining in depth why I have opened the trade, and also full strategy available on your student dashboard. If you are our lifetime member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, you can find the full strategy on your student dashboard, why I have opened the trade, what is the strategy behind. If you didn't have access to that, you can visit the website today to learn that strategy. There's a good news is that with 70% off joining that mentorship program today, you can use that coupon I have shared with you in the live chat. So use that coupon to join and to learn and grow as a trader. Also, I'm giving the website link. Once you are on the website, you can click join now button, and then you can access all the strategies, everything, including the trading tools and also the guidance from me to learn and grow as a trader. So here is a couple of long bullish candles here forming, and let's see where the market might be planning for. 30 minutes closing very soon. So yeah, I'm holding it. I think that the market will try to, you see, back to back 2 weekless candles here. There is a liquidity above this level. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, expecting it to return to that liquidity zone. So from the 5 minutes is forming a narrower doji here. So it might form a doji in that area. So let's see what kind of price action it is forming. For me, there is a pin bar, and so there is a pin bar, and I wouldn't still say that it will drop. Still, I'm bullish. I will be holding. One thing I can do is I can move the stop loss at entry to make the trade break even. So it might, in worst case, it could come back to 2271 for a retest of this neckline. But what I will do now, I'll just move my stop loss at entry, but I will not take any profit. I want to take the full profit. So moving to make this trade risk free. So moving my stop loss at entry. So 2270 in my entry. I just move the stop loss at entry for the safety of the trade, and holding it for bigger full profit target. Okay, let's see. So my trade now, a risk-free trade. It's a break-even trade, a risk-free, not break-even like the stop loss at entry, but still we are running. Would like to see that the market has got another bounce, which is expected, and if it got another bounce, we will be taking the full almost more than 3% profit on the trade. We'll be holding it. That will give us everything that we need for even for the week whole thing. So let's hold it for the full spectrum to go up, and in the meantime let's see what we can expect today as NF ADP non-farm employment change coming later today. So let's look at that that situation, what we can expect. The market now is trying to bounce back up. If we look at the calendar here on what we can see, 11:15 p.m. in my zone coming up, ADP non-farm employment change, and we will be covering that news. I will be beginning at 11 p.m. so guys, make sure that you stick to the channel by pressing the subscribe button, press that bell button, because I will be coming on live again so that you're not missing out that. And also I'll be covering this news, which is the ISM service PMI. So both of them will be covering in this live session. Not this one, there will be another one. So if you want to access all of them, make sure you subscribe to the channel, press that bell notification so that you are not missing out those lives and content. Now at the moment we see that here the price is trying to drop down. This is a 15 minutes candle closing as a red doji. Let's see what the market is trying to do here. So the 15 minutes candle closing as a bullish candle followed by a doji. If the next one is going up, then we are done. If the price break that high, even we could move the stop loss a bit far to secure some more profit here. So here is now if it is forming an inverted head and shoulder here with this as an order block, then we should see a trend in that market to the upside. That's what I'm expecting. Okay guys, so bias is still to the upside on gold, and let's keep holding it, expecting it to return to the upside to create a new higher high. Welcome, holding. Yeah, good morning, just joined the stream. GJ, yeah, we'll be looking at GJ as well. We see that there is a good move on gold, GBP, JPY, dollar, yen, all of them. Awesome, welcome. Coach trade, yeah, thank you sir. Have a booked profit $15. Well done, but I'm still holding it. Takes same like you. Start and now to with you. Nice, welcome Rudy, Kadir, coach. Check US30. Okay, I will be looking at that as well. Profit news coming. When did I take entry in gold? So we are already buy entry on gold. And US30, Kadir. Okay, US30, this is a US30. It's if I look at this market, there is a complete daily breakdown here, and with that breakdown on US30, you can see there is a consolidation pattern. if we look at the weekly perspective on US30, we can see that from the weekly, this is a long bearish candle so far. I think that US30 might come back down further because it has got a rejection. It might now try to retest this weekly support. You see, this is a green move. It didn't create a higher high, instead it's got a rejection, so it might now drop back here this week and then could return back to the upside. So the bias could be to the downside on US30 because it's trending in that direction. So it might see, this is the 4-hour, a drop, very narrow pullback, another drop, consolidation pattern. We might do something like that, and then we could see another wave of drop creating a new lower low, and then we might see it's trending to the upside. So that could be the situation with US30. For any kind of selling opportunity, you want to see that the market has got grabbed liquidity from this structure and then forming that bearish pattern. See that what's happening with the gold here. Okay, so far we see initial bounce, and okay, so there is a long week candle. The next one might try to break again in that direction. I was expecting to return in the bullish direction, still holding it. I'll be holding it for full TP. Okay, so this is now just letting you know that I moved my stop loss at entry. If I am out, then I will be out, but I don't want to take the smaller profit here. So it might let me see what's happening from the 30 minutes. So from 5 minutes, I would like to see that gold has managed to reject from this level. I will be also in depth analyzing the market, why I was bullish on that. I saw that many of you already have taken profit, but I didn't take profit, but I moved my stop loss at entry. Let's see, this is now a risk-free trade. Let's not worry about this trade. We manage the trade, it's running in profit, move the stop loss at entry. Now I would like to look at another instrument. While we see that Gbpusd is trending very nicely, starting from here, it's now had a breakout. And if I look at the daily chart to see overall picture in the market on GJ, let's see what the Gbpusd is planning for, guys. Are you with me? Are you ready for looking at Gbpusd? So before I look at GJ, I will really appreciate if you smash this like button here, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I would recommend you to do so. It will help you in the trading journey that you are doing. There's a lot of content here in this channel, along with many analysis strategies that you can learn from here to become a profitable professional trader. So I see the like is going up. Let's make it to 100. Okay, now let's see what's happened with GJ. Now yesterday we had a trade on GJ. You guys have seen that the trade in fact has moved in that direction. So here is what we can see on Gbpusd. There is a long bearish candle followed by another daily candle. Yesterday we have seen GJ has got a bounce, and with that bounce what we have seen that today so far the price again retested that daily support and has got a rejection to the upside again. So this market is currently trending to the upside on Gbpusd. And if we look at the intraday time frame, where we can see there is a multiple long wick candles, so this is a bullish price action on Gbpusd. So looking at the 15-minute chart to see the lower time frame price action, here you can see whenever the market was dropping to that support, it's getting a very sharp rejection. In previous session we saw a long manipulation here, a liquidity grab. So what is liquidity? Liquidity is the fuel of the market. So the price moves from liquidity to liquidity. If you look at here below this level, there was a high liquidity and the market has got a very sharp rejection from that liquidity zone. And with the liquidity zone rejection, we saw the market now trending in that direction. So this market has consolidated a lot. If you look at the daily, you can see that quite a few days of consolidation. I think that we might see now this market might started to trend again, because it was in a bull move, pullback, consolidation, another liquidity grab. Now it might try to, it might started to trend again to the major direction of the trend. If you look at the weekly here, you can see that it's a weekly bullish price action. And from the monthly also we see that there was a monthly middleman. The price has dropped and now it might try to break that monthly high again. So from the lower time frame here, again if we see that on the 15-minute chart, because it has got a bounce in this uptrend, we'll be waiting for again deeper pullback, and then we can look for entry opportunity. Okay, now with that on gold, we can see that gold has got a rejection here again as expected, so which is good for us to see that the market has got a rejection. Right, so here might consolidate a little bit in that area. So there is a 15 minutes candle closing and there is a 15 minutes pin bar. Now if you look at this one, so far 3 minutes remaining. So in this last 3 minutes, if this candle not being able to close as a very long red candle, that might make this price to bounce back up again, because if it is closing as a with a narrow doji, that means that bull, bears weaker, another bounce. Now next 2 to 3 minutes is very important, because in that time if the price break down again, that's a different story. But I'm holding it for the full profit on this trade. We'll be waiting to see. Okay. Now GJ is aggressively bullish. Gold is expecting it to bounce back up again in the major direction of the trend. Are you guys with me? Could come to the FBG area down. Okay, so can I enter buy now? At the moment it's got expired. Better to be a little bit of patient. Could reach to 61 point Fibonacci 15-minute candle. Can enter in gold. So gold, we are buy on gold, and I will appreciate. I will recommend you to be a little bit of patient on that. So here we can see the market is trending in that direction. Okay, so which is, if we see the market manage to bounce breaking that high, even if the price didn't hit the TP, we can move the stop loss here to secure some more profit here in that area. So the volume dropped a little bit. There was a big drop here, and at the moment we are running this trade. We will keep running it until it goes to this place, or it goes to the full profit target there. And in the meantime, let's look at also what other pairs are doing. We see that there's the trend on dollar yen as well. It's also trending to the upside on dollar yen. And in the meantime, let's see, you can see the market is still maintaining that bullish pattern, expecting it to remain bullish in that direction. We see there is a bullish pattern, bullish candle is being formed. Okay, what we can see at the moment, some kind of improvement. You guys are with me? So here, if the market managed to create a new higher high, then we can do that. We can move the stop loss entry. Okay, here pattern is forming. Okay, so running in good profit again. Okay, dear trader, hope that you are enjoying the live session. I would appreciate your support if you give a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing out any of the content that I'm posting every day. In addition to that, today also there is it's almost the ending. This week we had a massive discount to join us to fill that quota that we have to take in the mentorship program, which the coupon is ending now, so you can use that. I can give you on the live chat. So if you use that coupon on the website, check out to join the mentorship program where you can learn and grow as a trader. You can get 70% off joining us. So I have given you the coupon as well as the link for the website. Click join now, and then you can become part of this trading community for the rest of your life. So before it is expired, you can use it to grab your seat to become a member of this academy. So here we see a bit of consolidation on gold, a bit of consolidation, but I would still be holding the trade. And because after this consolidation, it's a long-term bullish market. If I look at the 1 hour candle here on gold, we can see that there's a 1 hour candle that has a form a middleman here, and with that candle formation, the bulls should be in the driver's seat, as because the trend is up and there is a liquidity here. So even if it wants to have a rejection, expecting to go up for deeper liquidity gap before breaking in that direction. So here is there is a rejection from the top. So it has broken this another liquidity zone here, right? So this this is a very 5 minutes candle. You can see a long candle. Now if this long candle is getting rejection from this support level, below this level also there is a liquidity, there was a buyers here, so they are stopped out. Now if the market, this 5 minutes candle is closing above as a doji, or if the market is breaking that up again, we easily can move our stop loss here to secure this much of profit here. Now it is important to see that the candle is closing above and the next one is bouncing back again. If we look at the Gbpusd is currently in a strong bullish uptrend. We might see good move on that one as well. On JJ, we can see that the market on Gbpusd after back-to-back two dojis, the 5 minutes, you can see it's trending to the upside, which is basically a bullish price action. Dollar yen also trending. This market also on the higher time frame it is in a consolidation, but on the lower time frame we see that there is a good trend in this market. Okay, so gold is holding it for to see what's happening. Now retesting this neckline. So the candle closed below. So when you want to take a bigger profit, you have to accept the fact that sometime the market might do that. Okay, here you have to see what's happening, and yeah, let's see. Some of you may have taken profit, some of you might go for the break even, but taking a bigger profit is always like that. You need to be accepting the fact that sometime you will be out of the trade without anything, but it's also coming with reward, because when you hold for bigger profit target, basically you are always keeping your edge to the upside for another trade will give you when you keep repeating the same strategy over and over again. So here we will be again looking for another entry opportunity on gold and on Gbpusd. So in the upcoming session, as you know, there is a ADP non-farm employment change coming, so which is a very important news. We will be covering that. I will be taking a very short break for 2 hours and then we will come on live again. I'll be covering both of that news, so I hope that you guys also are passionate about that. So make sure that you also stay tuned for that live session. And also before that, any trade coming, also I'll be sharing on the community as well. So I really thank you for all of you for joining this live session. I would like to see you there again, trading live together all. Until that, stay well, stay happy, always manage your risk. And before I go, if you are wanting to join the broker that I'm trading, you can find link in the description. Also, I can give you the link in the live chat, so you can use that link and then you can start trading. Not this one, come on, it's a mentorship link. So where is that? Second. Okay, so I have given you the link in the live chat, so you can use that to start trading with broker that you can rely on. And with that being said, thank you very much for joining this live session, and I'll see you guys again together trading live.